continue with continuity. What is that? That seems like math, but it's not an hour. Did anyone forget their notes? Maybe it should be from yesterday. Anyways, like yesterday they had a class in here. Okay, another section of the point here, I think. Okay, let us continue. So we'll continue with the continuity stuff. We'll see now a very important theorem, which is called the intermediate value theorem. Let us give a motivation. Is it recording? Did I press record? Yes, I did. Okay, great. So what's the intermediate value theorem? Let me write it here. Okay, now let's give a small picture, before we state it. Suppose I have a continuous function on this interval. Well, I don't want to. Well, yeah, sure. This way. And this is, say, the point A, and this is the point B. This is f of B, and this is f of A. Now, I have to draw my curve without lifting my pencil, right? Without lifting my chalk, right? If I have a continuous function. Now, if f takes the value f of a, and b takes and f at b takes the value f of b, are you convinced by just a picture that any value between f of a and f of b is hit by f? So if I draw any horizontal line between f of a and f of b, I will be able to find a point C so that f of c is equal here. Are you convinced by just picture? Yeah, it's a proof by picture, and the proof is a bit more complicated. But let us say the theorem. Let f be continuous on AB. And let y, well, let's say let m be a number between f of a and f of b. Then there exists C inside the interval AB such that f of t is equal to m. Let us give an example. Okay, let's give an example. Show that an equation. Any questions? Any questions? Yes?
What is the case such that f of b equals to what?
M. Okay? Do you understand the picture? You have a and b. Now, any number between f of a and f of b is hit by f. That's what I want you to see. Okay? Do you guys understand this or not? Yes? What does the? Then there exists C inside AB such that f of C is M. Yeah? Very good? Yeah? C just enough, so you have a function here, okay? This is 1 and this is 2. You have a function. Okay? You have 3 halves. this is say at x equals 3, and this is at x equals minus 5. Yeah. Okay, so this is x equals 3 and this is x equals minus 5. So pick y is equal to 3 halves. Okay? And draw a horizontal line. Okay? It will cut the curve to intersect the curve at point whose x value is 5 halves. Okay? You see that? This is C. Are we good? Yeah, is it clear? Okay, so that the equation, let's see. Show that the equation x cubed. Who wants to give me their favorite number? Favorite integer? Please raise your hand. Yeah. 1? Okay. Someone else? Yeah? 13. Yeah, okay. Is equal to 0. Has a solution in, let's see, 1 minus 13 plus 1. Wait. 1 minus 13 plus 1, this is negative. And 0, 1. It's weird, there's only one cough that starts and then everybody starts coughing after. I don't want to say everybody, but many start coughing. Yeah. Okay, so just it's a point that I got. Okay, now maybe I should stop recording when I say this.